Mustang that my son is interested in is actually a beautiful one. He's always liked the blue color, which is why he picked it. So now I want you to take a look at it. It already has the Corsa exhaust on the vehicle. Running some NT little 555 G2s. It's an automatic. It got all the premium package that I'm gonna show you guys right now. So we have all the dash features. He has all the performance packages and everything else there that he likes, which is kind of what he's looking for. So he's actually inspecting the car right now to see what happened. We met a great guy, man. We called him on the phone. So let me tell you guys something different. Calling in place was actually a great experience. I spoke to him on the phone. He was very friendly. They turned me over to a manager, which is also very friendly. This is Trophy Nissan over here in Mesquite, Texas. So far, I can't even tell you guys, it's been an awesome experience over the phone. I even told the manager I felt very comfortable, which is a great thing, because dealerships nowadays, finding one that you feel comfortable is one of the biggest things you can do. Rapport is very important when you're going to do a sale. So I have to be able to like the guy for me to be able to do the deal. That's really what it comes to. So far, they're treating me A1. So we're going to check out the vehicle. Look, a blue Mustang GT 5.0 2019. Got the Brembo packages. It pretty much got everything that it needs. It has the cold air intake already in the car. So, I mean, it's got a couple things in the car, as you can see. But again, the decision making is not mine. The decision making be to my son. If he really likes the car, then we can go move forward. If he doesn't like the car, then we just move on. So we're at this point right now where you check out the vehicle, take a look at the car around and see what y'all think.
How quick is your license plate? Thank you,
YouTube, so this is what's going on so far. The car, he likes the car. There's a problem with the value of the car, which we're about to find out about it, but everything else is looking out pretty good. He likes all the options, likes the features. We're about to go for a test drive on the car to see if he really likes the car. It's gonna be an automatic. He's gonna get rid of the manual if he goes this way. Based on specs, the A10, which is the automatic 10 from this Mustang, should be faster than the manuals. There's also a Bullet that he's interested in, which is over there at Lexus. But again, the decision making gonna have to be his. It's not gonna be my car. But so far, I think the car beautiful. I think the color beautiful. The packaging of the car beautiful. He's got the Brembos. He's already got the Nitos on it. It's got the Rouse cold air intake. It has the Corsa exhaust, and it has all the bells and whistles you could possibly think about. So we're about to find out what he wants to do. See if he wants to want to go for a ride now, see if he feels comfortable with the car. If he likes the car, then, you know, we'll see, we pull the trigger, but it really depends if he really likes the car completely, because going from a manual to an automatic is a big difference, and the decision making going to be his if he wants to do that. I believe in saving the manuals, but again, that's going to be up to him, guys, so I'll be back in a minute. So we're in the test drive right now of the automatic Mustang. We are just driving around the middle of those vents down a little bit for y'all. It is cold out here in Texas this morning, but we're out here right now driving it to see if we like the feel of it. He's getting used to it, to see what he likes here, guys. So just stay posted and get to a little straightaway over here where we can actually feel this car pull and see if it's gonna like it. You know what I'm saying? Come from a manual to automatic is a different. It's all good on that, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, boy, keeping the camera on was out of that. I'm not gonna lie, that actually felt really good.
That's in drag mode. It's 70 quick.
That was actually that felt really interesting.
That is 70 quick, man.
The automatic 10 is a great transmission. I'll make a right. And yeah, that felt pretty good. Now I gotta do a dig. Get it to your right lane. Stop right here. And you're gonna track move, right?
Drag.
Okay, so let's do a gas and brake. Gas and full floor it. No, we don't want to do it right now. Very interesting. I like this one more than that other one that we drove that day. This one here felt very, 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 very interesting. It pulls very, very good. You like the way it pulls?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you do.
Weird. I'm trying to put in sport mode.
You got a smile on your face. We know that that's pulling good. He wants to be like his mother with an automatic, that's all. Watch it. Oh shit. Yo, y'all got a whole shit out of me on that one. The car went sideways in the whole 9 there. So far, I love the way it feels. How you feel?
Alright, it likes to downshift a lot.
Stop. Let's do a dig again.
Try going or what? What would you do with it? We gotta hurry up.
Go. My camera's even losing its stability. Okay, so yeah, we got a winner on this one. I tell you right now, this one actually runs really good. The white one did not run nowhere like this. I want you to know.
There's 3 people in the car.
Well, there's actually 4 because I'm 1, he's 2, you're 2. But that's 4 people in the car. We got Big Boy. You know what we call him back there? Gordo, right? You know what Gordo means? Gordo means fat boy. He's fat boy back there, man. But now he's, we just doing our thing here. I don't know. I love it so far. But I'm going to go back with him and see what he decides he wants to do. And if the numbers match out, we might be having a blue Mustang at home. So stay tuned. I can tell you it's WWWTF. I don't know what to tell you, man. This car really felt amazing right now. The 10-speed from Ford has a great reputation out in the market right now because it's basically keeps it in power band the whole time. And boy, does she stay in power band. This car really, really moves. I'm impressed. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm impressed. I'm deeply impressed. You impressed, Isaac? I'll tell you one thing. That white one that we almost made the mistake and bought, compared to this one, this car feels different. Don't you agree? Like I floored that white one twice.
You wanna drive it?
Nope, I already felt it here on this side. I'm good. I'm about it. We own it. But this car to me pulls more than that one. Is there a difference between the cars, or
No.
maybe this was just tuned because it has that Roush intake?
I don't think it's tuned.
I don't know what it is, but this car, 2 thumbs up if I had 2 thumbs to show you right now.
I probably could hook up my tuner to this to see.
No, we're gonna let this happen. Let's go see if we can figure out this deal. I gotta go over to the shop in a few minutes. We are interested. We might be buying this car today. Stay tuned, y'all. So let me go talk to these guys that are giving me an evaluation of the Mustang and see what we can do. I'll be back. Let me give you an update. Honestly, man, I really have to say, as of right now, I can't complete the day, but their service has been amazing. Michael's been a great guy. The young man, what was the name of the young man that just came and saw us?
That was Mario Hernandez.
Mario Hernandez. He's financed. What is he?
He's the desk manager.
He's the desk manager. He came over, he introduced himself, man. Very friendly. I can't even tell you. So far, man, honestly, the service has been, well, you know what? My wife sells cars, so I know what this is here.
I got you.
You see what this is? That means he was the employee of the month, or he did something. Yeah, he's salesman of the month. So that means he does his business, he does his thing, guys. But like I said, as of right now, man, the service has been awesome. We might be having a blue Mustang home today, so stay tuned, Cruise Crew, as we continue this journey into the swap out from the second gen Mustang for Isaac to the blue one, and see if this actually works out, man. But so far, everything's looking good, so stay tuned. All right, Cruise Crew, so we are at the place where we're gonna be having this surprise today. We're gonna have this car. We actually bought the blue Mustang today. You're gonna get to see right now that we are at the dealership picking it up. It's a late night. We did everything in the daytime while we were at work. Got everything situated. The AUDIOFOX, that is known for being the AUDIOFOX, is not gonna be around the home no more. This is the last time we got to drive this car. It's the last time we got to enjoy this car, and now it's gone. So we came here to celebration. We brought Mrs. AUDIOCAT's car. We brought AUDIOCAT himself. And we got the AUDIOFOX here to be replaced with the new Mustang. We're to go inside, see this team, get this delivery of this car, and come back and show you guys what we got, brother. We back. He wants you to see it, Eddie. Recording? Matthew, I think you have permission to rep my car, man.
Nice to meet you.
It's a car.
It would be better if actually I told it up here inside.
No, the car's great. I see it. So we're over here in the office right now, beginning to fill out that thing called paperwork. And we should be, hopefully, everything goes good. Hopefully my wife didn't mess up nothing, but we should be all right to go in a few minutes. The next one you're gonna be seeing is, we'll see what he's gonna get and we'll see what he's gonna get. But soon we'll be having a whole fun cars in the house. So stay tuned. If we get this wrapped up, keep it continued. We're at the dealership, guys. That's the beautiful Mustang. My son's about to take Adida, my wife, for a ride. We're waiting for the financing people to get paperwork closed out, so we're working on that. But this is what she's looking like, y'all. This is the new baby to the house that will be coming to the shop and see what the AUDIOFOX could do with her. So AUDIOFOX in the building, gonna go for a ride with the wifey, and let's go see what happens when they go for that ride. So they just pulled in back in the building for giving mom a ride. That's the car, y'all. Look at the car going home today. Is the Mustang 5.0. Baby, what's your reaction? What's your reaction, honey?
So he has to have a faster car, huh? Definitely feels a lot more faster.
She said that you have to have
It feels
a faster
huh?
car.
Feels faster. I don't disagree. I think that this car is faster than that one. I wish we could do a pull, but you know, that would have been awesome. This is actually pretty interesting, y'all, but we're about to see what happens. We're about to get delivery of this car. We're gonna go home and play. We'll see what happens, y'all. All right, guys, so we're at that moment in the car time where we got to actually do it. We're actually filling out the paperwork, as y'all can see right here. We got our guy Caesar over there, the finance guy. We got my wife over here, and we are signing the paperwork to take delivery of the new AUDIOFOX 2.0 coming soon to you guys, man. So we're really grateful that this has happened. And just, guys, we have now just finally finished up this deal with the new AUDIOFOX 2.0. We are leaving the dealership at this point in time, and I can only tell you it's been a very pleasant experience. So we're wrapping up this purchase. We just got done finished doing all the paperwork for this beautiful, beautiful Mustang that's coming home to the AudioCats. We got Mr. Michael up in the building here today. He is the sales rep who took care of us. And like I said to you guys from the beginning, man, it has truthfully been one of the most pleasant experiences that I've had from the moment we got on the phone call to get into the store, checking out the vehicle, talking to management, now financing. Has been a awesome, awesome experience, man. We're taking home this baby girl home now. We're gonna thank you guys all for the watching, the support that you guys are giving us in this, man. It truthfully means a lot in this journey that we've taken here on YouTube with you guys. We want to thank you guys for everything and the support you guys give us. Mrs. AudioCat, you got something that you want to say?
If you guys want AUDIOFOX, they have it here.
Oh, listen, that's true. They're gonna hone the AUDIOFOX. The AUDIOFOX is gonna be here now at Trophy Nissan. If you really want it, you're gonna have to come and get it, man. This is the dealership that has it right now. It's Trophy Nissan. They are the ones that actually have the AUDIOFOX. And if you wanted it, this is your time to come and get it. So stay tuned, y'all. We are leaving the AUDIOFOX here. If you want the AUDIOFOX, they're gonna have it. You're gonna come speak to Michael, right? Michael here at Trophy Nissan. This is the guy. If you want the AUDIOFOX, come and tell him that you are looking for the AUDIOFOX. Show me that card again. Show them that card because they can see it in there. You can pause the video. This is the guy you're going to be coming to talk to. He is now the owner of the AUDIOFOX. They're going to have it here for sale. Trophy Nissan in Mesquite, Texas. But you got to make sure you come see Michael, man. Let him know you're coming from the channel. And he'll show you the car. You have a chance to own the AUDIOFOX, man. Now we're going to walk outside and see what's going on with the kids as we get these reactions. But the AUDIOFOX has stayed here at Trophy Nissan here in Mesquite. This was a great car to us. We have no complaints. This is actually what made us buy another Mustang because this car has been fabulous. My son just decided to go with the A10, but in reality, this car was awesome. Very, very good to us. But now he's over there playing with his car as the kid does. He's already playing with his car, getting it ready to go. Mr. AUDIOFOX. So I just told everybody where your car is going to be if they want to come and get it. What do you have to say about your new blue Mustang?
I'm gonna be taking people money.
Huh?
I'm gonna be taking people money.
You be taking people money? You coming for them? All right, y'all. Well, here it is, guys. This is where it's gonna be. Come and check it out here, man. This is the end of this video. I want to thank y'all for the watching. Thank you guys for the subscriptions, man. Y'all be good and God bless, man.
Hold on a second. Time out.
What's up?
If you guys want AUDIOFOX, you come here
to
get it. But if you want to buy any other car and want to get hooked up, you come see me at Freeman Mazda.
Where you at, girl?
Freeman Mazda in Irving, Texas.
You gotta see anything else you need a used car? My wife is the one to do that, man. So thank y'all for everything.